One of the things I wanted to talk about was some sort of common questions, issues, problems uh, that I see in my law practice that clients sort of have questions about, and I think other lawyers probably see or hear the same thing. So, um, a couple of things to keep in mind. Two of the questions that I get and many other lawyers get, I'm sure, especially on injury cases, is um, uh, when is the case going to be settled, and how much is it worth? So, the latter question, how much is it worth? What I was taught a long time ago, and I really feel it's true, is that sometimes the first time the client comes into the office, uh, if you ask the lawyer that question, and the lawyer gives you any kind of an answer, really, they're really doing a disservice to you, because the first time you go into the lawyer's office, he or she doesn't know much about your case. He or she only knows what you've told him. So, sometimes I think lawyers, especially if they're maybe anxious about making sure that they keep the case, would tell someone something outrageous or something really just not based on anything, and I think that's a mistake. So, what I would normally tell people is, what you look at is how much of the medical bills, how much of the lost wages, how long is someone out of work, how long are they treating with a doctor, what kind of an injury is it? Is it a fracture? Is it a scar? Is it more of a soft tissue type injury? Those are kind of some of the factors that would be taken into account. That's about the best you can say, certainly at the first visit when someone comes in. So we're going to go back to the phones. Good afternoon. The phone number at the office, 508-674-0890. Again, 508-674-0890. Mostly what I do, as I said at the top of the show, is serious personal injury cases, workers' compensation, and criminal defense. But we do other things as well. Attorney Matt Aspen handles the real estate and domestic matters. We also do wills and estates. And if we don't do the type of problem or law that you issue that you have, then we try to refer you out. We're located at 1026 County Street in Somerset. Again, my name is Attorney Stephen Sabra. You've been listening to Law Talk on 1480 WSAR.